What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 Wi-Fi calling not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your flight mode. After turn on or off your flight mode, then go back and open settings and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and click on reset. In last you can see the option factory data reset. Now click on it and then click on reset. After the factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.